Hey guys, today I'm going to show you a quick little guide on how to extend your monitors. So if you want to use more than one monitor for your computer, this will be the guide for you. Firstly, you want to make sure your monitors are connected to your desktop. And when you have that done, you can go to this next step. You're just going to want to go to Display Settings, right click your desktop screen, and go to Display Settings. Once there, you'll see a screen or two little boxes. The first one is the one you're on, and then the second one is the one that's connected but it's not extended yet. So what you want to do next is right here, you'll see the show only on one. You want to extend this, just go and click extend these displays. Once you do that, you'll see your screen flicker a little bit or do whatever that is, and then you'll see it pop up on your new monitor or your second monitor. Now you'll see that both of the boxes are the same size. So what you want to do next is make sure you have them all in order correctly. So you can actually move these around, but you want to hit identify, and identify will give you a little number at the bottom left of your screen on both of your monitors. You just want to basically align these exactly how it is physically in front of you. So however your monitors are set up, just see what those numbers are and then align them exactly how it is on here. And then you're just going to hit apply, and once you hit apply, you're good to go. It'll switch around what it needs to. One more thing I will say, if you want to change your main display now that you have more than one monitor, you can just click on either your third one or second one or whatever, and you can click make this my main display. And that will basically make that specific screen, the one that has all your icons and everything like that. It'll be your main display, obviously. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comments and I'll get to it. If you liked this video and it helped you out, please leave a like and subscribe, and you have a great day.